Jakom mowal mar duol mochung' ne ng'iyo weche mag obila NPSC Dr. Amani Komora owacho ni lweny madhi nyime kind duolno kod bad migawo mar obila ewi rejista mayango osara mag obila en wach minyalo tieki kokalo e twak kod lalruok. Kane olose nyim komiti od bura mar arita, Komora olero ni kata kochuno ni rejista makamano nyaka bed mana e lwet bad migawo mar obila, duol mochung' ne ng'iyo weche mag obila NPSC be nyaka mi thuolo mar doyo kendo ng'iyo rejista makamano. Ponono ni opuodhe kod komiti mar od bura, Dr. Komora dhi kawo kar Eliud Kinuthia kaka jakom manyien mar duol mar NPSC.
Lot of push and pull between the National Police Service and the National Police Service Commission, especially in regards to the payroll. And of course, if approved by these members, you are going to be in a very critical position of a chair. And knowing part of your commissioners, the service commanders from the NPS. What is your take and how do you intend to mitigate that kind of a bad, ugly situation between the two?
Why do we have the police? The police are there to provide a service. They come in through the National Police Service Commission, through the structures of delegated responsibility to provide a service to the common man. So wherever that payroll sits, we will eventually get to agree where some of those functions should sit. But considering the separation of power, which is aspects of good corporate governance, I would say for as long as the National Police Service Commission has an opportunity to oversee, to audit whatever that goes into the payroll, then this debate of whether the physical payroll, where it should sit, is a matter that can be discussed and agreed.
Romo ne obagi e mbalariany ma Aga Khan, boma ma Nairobi mar sumo paro kod